Hello there, YouTube. Just made this little project here. Not much, not much, but I had a look on YouTube and I found there's not really any things on there of how to make a side-to-side laser. A laser just travels side to side, so you get the if say there's smoke in the room, you get the really cool smoke effects go through it. I've seen one on there where it's like a time tunnel, where it goes round and round. It's really cool, but it's not the side-to-side one. Now I'm after one that you could be, say, used as a disco or something. You know, above the heads of people. You know, like skimming the roof, where, say, if they smoked, all the smoke would be up there. Just so if you looked up, it would look really mint. You know, really cool. I don't smoke myself, so I can't really show you this, but. Here's a setup I've done. It's nothing much. I've got a little motor there that I managed to pick up out of a barcode reader. You know, out of a checkout system. It's got a mirror built onto the top of it. It works off around about 4 volts, 4.5 volts, or 3 volts or something. I'm not sure. I'm currently running it on I don't know what I'm running it on. 4.5 volts I'm running it on. Yeah, that's also been hacked as well. It was a cigarette lighter, but I've used it for something else. As you can see there, it's just the thing that I've mounted it all on is basically my old car stereo's you know, cradle that it sits in. Just using a standard laser pointer. It's only about 20 milliwatts, nothing big. Doesn't really have to be big for this. Let's power it up and see what it does, shall we? And there you go, you get the really cool line effect. And I must admit, when I have my incense sticks on, you do get a really nice display of smoke effect coming from it, like a fog effect. It looks really good, proper mesmerising patterns and things. It looks pretty decent. So you get a good beam out of this. It'd be better if it was more focused in a smaller area, then it would be a bit more brighter, light up the smoke a bit better. But hey, what do you expect for something I just knocked up? And there you can see it's running there. Let's turn this light out. Might need to see it a little bit better. There we go. Not really very good about the monitors. There we go. And that one as well. There you go. So you get to see the laser. Looks pretty neat. Like I say, it's not much of a project, it's just something I knocked together because I was a bit bored. I had the parts there and thought, I might as well do it. But could do with being a little bit more balanced, because I think that's probably why it was thrown out. The motors, the bearings have gone in it, and it's gone a bit wobbly. You can probably hear it, and the line isn't as you know, neat as what it could be. But I think it's a good first attempt. I mean, I was thinking of using the concept of maybe an old computer hard drive and run a small AC current through the what do they call it? The magnetic coil that moves the reading heads across the disk. And then somehow mounting a small laser diode to that. That would work. But I went for this method. I thought it was a little bit better. Anyway, that concludes the video. Have a good one, guys, and I'll see you later.